Committee members. His name is indicated that he was representing the Honorable Governor in that exercise. He used whatever information that was procured or availed during the said audit to prepare this petition. Honorable Committee members, a studious or prodigious look and meticulous look at the petition before this Honorable Committee, you will agree with me that the petition is anchored or premised on whatever information that was available to the IHRM while doing the audit. It is the respondent's position that the petition before this committee is a well choreographed, orchestrated, designed with the sole intention and malicious intention as well to ensure that the members of the Kisii County Public Service Board leave office and their services are terminated.
A point of interjection.
It's okay?
I may wish to ask you, you have mentioned the issue of Mr. Tika. So are we dealing with the petition or
no,
the
not really,
PO?
not really. I'm just trying to demonstrate.
Are we dealing with the PO or the petition? Or you are moving it concurrently?
I'm the PO. And I'm trying to demonstrate how the issue of conflict arises.
Please proceed. I'll give you.
Of course, it's a matter of principle that whenever there's an issue of conflict of interest, you don't participate in such proceedings. So, ideally, the petitioner, having participated in the audit of the IHRM, he ought not to have brought his petition before Mr. Sedi.